Hello, my name is Faris and you join me here at the Volkswagen Van Centre in Birmingham. Today I would like to take you on a 360 walk around of this approved used Volkswagen Crafter long wheelbase. This vehicle comes in the Commerce Plus trim level and features a 2-litre TDI diesel engine producing 140 PS. The vehicle also comes equipped with a 6-speed manual transmission. Finished here in the classic candy white colour, this example features a half-painted front bumper as well as a set of front parking sensors. Down below, the van sits on a set of 16-inch steel wheels and comes with a full-size steel spare wheel. Towards the rear of the vehicle, we'll find a set of barn doors with the 270-degree hinges, and further helping you park and manoeuvre is a set of rear parking sensors. Opening up those barn doors and taking a look into the load area itself, it comes in a factory fresh condition with lashing points dotted throughout the load area floor. Yellow grab handles can be found on the entry points, and access into the load area can also be found on the passenger side of the vehicle. A full steel black bulkhead separates the load area from the cab. Up front in the cab itself, we'll find a total of 3 seats. The driver's seat features an armrest, and the passenger seats feature under-seat storage. In the centre of the dash, we'll find a colour touchscreen multimedia system. This allows you to listen to any of your favourite radio stations or connect your smartphone device using Apple CarPLay or Android Auto. For the driver, there is a 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel, which is paired with a fully digital Volkswagen cockpit display. That will conclude this 360 walk around of this approved used Volkswagen Crafter long wheelbase. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.